Hello everyone, welcome to Sourav Sir Classes. Let's discuss the paper and question number 6. I am just giving you which of these hormone is made by the posterior pituitary, FSH, LH, ACTH or ADH. Yes, what would be the answer? And the answer is ADH. See this picture, okay? Posterior pituitary hormone is made by ADH, okay? ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone. Okay, that is antidiuretic hormone, and we call it vasopressin also. Vasopressin also. Okay, vasopressin also. Yes. Move on with the question number 6. Okay. Sorry, question number 7. Question number 7 is which one of the following is not a mechanism of child socialization in the family? Praise and blame, observing and learning, reward and punishment, study of scriptures. So in this question, where we have seen all the option, only this option D, study of scripture, is not going with the rest of the options, because study of the scriptures going with religions and the text study and the religious study. So this is not connected with child socialization in the family. Okay. So the right answer is study of the scripture. This is not a mechanism. Okay. Option number D. Yes. The next question is with respect to a movie loving high school girl, a film star forms part of her secondary group, reference group, primary group, or in group. So, what is the right answer of this question is? In this question, we see the respect of a movie loving high school girl, film star forms part of her reference group. Okay, option number B, because it's her choice and it's completely her opinion. So the reference group answer is absolutely right. Next question is family formed after marriage is called family of recreation, family of orientation, monogamous family, or family of procreations. So family formed after marriage is called. Yes, so option A, family of recreation. Option B, monogamous family, family of orientation, or family of procreation. So the answer is family formed after marriage is called. This is option D, family of procreation. Okay. And the last question of today's class is a social norm is what everyone adheres to, an evolution of the state of affairs as good or bad, a belief in something as good or desirable is not adhered to by everyone but guides the action of individual in social interaction. So, what's your answer? So, this is very simple because when we call what is social norm, so it is not adhered by everyone but guides the action of individuals in social interaction. Okay, so I hope you like this class. And if you like this class, please like session and subscribe also. We'll meet soon with the new questions from the question 11. Okay. Thank you and bye-bye.